question I asked her was this: do you have documentation, or does your father do you have any documentation showing that your father owned this property?
Right.
She said they didn't have any documentation. But she said she had a lawyer working on it. Now, and so that's the question that I have now. For all those persons who are maybe arguing that they have a right to this property, can that work without them having documentation?
Well, if you have to go to court, it can be a problem. You can't win a case without your documents. You see, you can't win a case without documents. And see, back in the day, I think a lot of the people were relaxed and didn't feel like they needed to have the documents. But today, you have to have your documents. And that's why I say a lot of rock stars are holding on invalid documents. Because any document that does not have the secretary's signature on it is not a valid document.
Okay. Does the documents have also room for the administrator to sign off on this?
Definitely. It has to go through the administrator first.
Okay. This person says, talk DJ, because I from there. This is Island Boy Johnson Brown. He says, talk DJ, because I from there, and it taken me a lifetime to get my land, and strangers get it for free and have no roots to rock sound.
Exactly. And it's not fair to him, and it's not fair to any of them like that. No, like I say, we don't have application on a lot of these people who holding on certificates and who holding on this land. We don't have these documents on these people. But my documents are there. My children's documents are there. My cousin's documents are there.
But they're there where? In the office? In
the office, because
Which office? The administrator's office or where?
Well, a copy goes through the administrator office first, because the administrator is the one who does the stamping on that, because that's the government representative. So they does the stamping on this, right? And once it does the stamping on this, then it comes back to us. Okay? So if I go and look for your document, then I see your document is there. But there are some people we can't look for their documents because their documents never came in.
Oh.
There are some people.
So they paid monies to somebody to get their documents sorted out, you're saying, and they didn't get any document. Nothing went in for them.
They can't show you it.
What about the receipts? Because if I pay somebody, say, a couple of $1,000, we had the situation in Tarpon Bay where at the very least there were some issues with Tarpon Bay, and Jewel Edwards and Irma Carey and those are doing an excellent job resolving those issues. As a matter of fact, they've moved forward now to working on prosecuting some people. Somebody called me, somebody came to see me while I was in Nassau and told me how they are conducting interviews at, I think, the Nassau Street Police Station in relation to Tarpon Bay Commonage.
Right.
So I found that interesting. Now, but the thing is, a lot of these persons who they were interviewing were able to produce receipts to show, well, yes, I paid this person this amount of money, and so forth and so on. If somebody from the Rock Sound Committee or representing the Rock Sound Communist Committee collected money from someone, but they don't have a receipt to prove that that person collected money from them, that could create an issue with this case.
Right. Well, the thing about it is, let me tell you what's going on. People have receipts, right? And when they go, and some have the blue certificate too, but when they go to the commissioner office or wherever they need to go to submit their plans or whatever, then they tell them, you see, because we got some people in Roxham, the committee says one thing. Okay? And then the people says, oh, you ain't got to listen to them, just do whatever you want to do. But here's the thing. When you go to the commission office, they say, where is your document from the committee? Then you realize, oh, I got to go back to the committee.